I've been walking through the shadows of our yesterdays, chasing echoes of a love that never fades. Every heartbeat feels like calling out your name, even when the world keeps turning just the same. But when the night falls quiet, I still feel you close to me, like a whisper in the silence, pulling me where I should be. Stay with me, don't let the moment disappear. Hold this light before it breaks into fear. Stay with me, even when the sky turns gray. Let our hearts keep finding their way. Stay with me, please stay with me. I remember all the dreams we used to promise, fragile stories written only for the two of us. And I wonder if you hear me in the midnight rain, calling softly for your warmth again. 'Cause in the quiet hours, your heartbeat still calls mine to reflections in the darkness, searching for the same sign. Stay with me, don't let the moment disappear. Hold this light before it breaks into fear. Stay with me, even when the sky turns gray. Let our hearts keep finding their way. Stay with me, just stay with me. If the world falls apart, I'll still reach for you. I'll follow every light that leads me through. I'll carry every word you gave to me, 'cause love is where we're meant to be. Stay with me when the night is closing in. Let our souls remember where we've been. Stay with me through the storms we cannot see, through the tears we're meant to set free. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Just stay.